So I've just woken up for breakfast and you can see it's very dark out there. And yeah, I'm just going to clean the cat bowls ready for them to eat. I like to use lovely brown soda bread. I just love this bread, get that from Sainsbury's. And I'm actually drinking the vanilla lattes from Aldi. They call it Al Cafe. And you get 8 sachets just for 89p. So this is my breakfast. So yeah, this is a good time to have a reset for the new year, and what I love to do is go for a lovely walk, and that's what I intend to do, more walking. So I'm back home from my lovely walk. I'm just in my lounge clothes and I'm going to be cleaning out the fridge. All I do is just take out everything in the fridge, give it a big clean, and then just start putting everything back, but sorting along the way. Everything's taken out of the fridge, and now I'm just going to get a lovely rag with some soapy hot water and just give it a lovely clean. As you can see, this is the aftermath of a festive fridge. I need to give it a good clean. soapy water and just write everything down, and now get that great job of sorting out all of the food that need to go back in. Maybe some things need to be thrown out, and this is a good time to sort everything out. So that's what I'm going to do, and put everything back in the fridge. So I've just put everything back and organised, and it looks so much neater and cleaner. I am just really happy with it now. And I actually got this rug from Dunelm, and it cost me, I think this is the smallest one, and it's £89, and they do different sizes, a medium and a large. Obviously the price varies on the size, but yeah, it's a lovely, I think it's got wool in this carpet, and I just love the design. It's very cottagey. So I hope this video is definitely motivating you to get up and do a reset of your day and clean and get, you know, a fresh start for 2024. So I just fancy putting on my throw on the sofa, and I'm going to do that now, and then just fluff up all the pillows. So I hope that you are enjoying all of the content that's coming out at the moment. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you're enjoying it, I hope that this was motivational. I hope that it got you up and ready to start for 2024. Please subscribe if you haven't already. More great videos to come.